Assalamu alaikum. I'd like to discuss the uses of at and in, where these prepositions are used. Usually, at is used before the names of towns, villages, streets. Okay. Towns, villages, streets. Suppose Rupganj is a town, so we can use at before Rupganj. He lives at Rupganj. Okay. Erbil is the name of a village. I live at Erbil. Here, Erbil is the name of a village, so I have used at before this name. Streets. Okay, the name of streets, lanes, and roads, we can use at. He lives at Kobi Kazi Nazrul Road or street. Okay. In is used before the names of cities, states, countries. Okay. Bangladesh is our homeland. We live in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the name of our country. Okay. The USA is the name of a country. He lives in the USA. He stays in the USA. Okay. And before the names of states. Okay, Ohio. He lives in Ohio. The name of a state in the USA. Cities. Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. Most of the people of our country usually like to stay in Dhaka. Here we should use in because Dhaka is the name of a big city. We live in Bogura. Bogura is also a big city, we can say. Okay. So we can easily say that at and in, between these two prepositions, at is usually used before the names of towns, villages, and streets, roads, lanes. And in is used before the names of cities, states, and countries. Thank you.